Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. On 17th of July, I shared this idea for my members at the Patreon that the price action of Shiba Inu may complete the final leg of the bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern. And this was the idea which I shared. Let me show you this chart first, and then I'll take you to the live daily time frame chart to show you what the price action can do right now. And this was the video that I shared almost 3 weeks ago with you when I told you that the price action can be reversed bullish from here. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and I was expecting up to 46% move, and after playing this chart we can see that exactly as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat move, the price action completed this final leg and reverse bullish, and we had more than 46% move so far. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Now let me take you to the daily time frame chart, and here previously we have seen that the price action of Shiba was moving in a down channel, and at the same time we were having very strong resistance at $0.000093, and the support was at $55 at $0.000055. But now you can see that this support is lifted to the upside. Therefore, this movement of the support has changed the formation, and now it has changed from down channel to the falling wedge pattern that is considered as a bullish reversal. And right now you can see that the price action is breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge. And if we switch to the smaller time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then the price action is closed above this resistance of the falling wedge and moving down to retest. However, we should look at the closing on the daily time frame. Once we will have the closing on the daily time frame and the price action may retest the previous resistance as a support, then it may start a bigger move than this previous move, because while the price action is breaking out this resistance of this falling wedge, at the same time the price action is also trying to break out this very strong Ichimoku bearish cloud on the daily time frame. And I'll show you how the price line after breaking out this cloud can start a very big move. Now let me show you this resistance level. This is very important resistance at $0.000093. And here we can see that previously we had several rejections by this price level resistance, but as the price line is breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge, therefore it can also break out this next price level resistance as well, because our imminent target after this breakout can be the tail of this falling wedge pattern. And if we take a look at the volume, then we are having nice volume right now. To measure the power of buying volume right now, I have placed here the volume oscillator indicator that tells us the power of buying or selling. For example, previously we were having the buying volume here. You can watch the values here, and the value at that time was more than 16 and 18, and here we again had the buying volume and the value was more than 4. And look at this, right now we are having the buying volume with the oscillator value more than 28. Therefore we had a powerful breakout. However, once we will have the closing above this resistance of the falling wedge, and we will have a successful retest, like the price line is now moving down to retest, and we will have the closing above this candlestick, the highest price of this candlestick. That will be the final confirmation, and then the price action can break out the next resistance. And at the same time, we have already seen that the price action is also breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and you can see that this cloud is getting squeezed, and soon it can be turned bullish from red to green color. And we can also see that this lagging span, this green line, has crossed up the candlesticks, and we have also received a bull cross by this conversion and the baseline. This blue line is the conversion line, and this red line is the baseline, that is the bearish line. And once this conversion line, the blue line, crosses up the baseline below the candlestick, that is the bullish signal as per this Ichimoku cloud. And the final confirmation for a very big move will when the price action will cross up this Ichimoku cloud, and this lagging span will also cross up this Ichimoku cloud. Then the price line can move above this cloud for the very long term, and this cloud can work as a very strong resistance for the price action. So right now the price line is breaking out this Ichimoku cloud, and after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we can now expect that the price action will also break out this Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame. Before this Ichimoku cloud was very strong bearish here, and it was getting squeezed and more squeezed, and now it is going to turn very soon. We can expect it will be turned bullish. And in my previous videos I have been telling you that this will be for the first time, and you can also watch very obviously that this is first time happening in the history of the Shiba Inu that it is going to cross up this Ichimoku bearish cloud in its history on the daily time frame. Now if we take a look at the next resistance level, like for example, once the price line will be able to break out this $0.0000093 resistance level, then our imminent move can be to the next price level resistance that is approximately at $0.00014. That is more than 70% from here. And while the price action is moving up, it is also forming the different other harmonic moves. Like previously we have seen, this was the bigger move. At the same time, the price action on the smaller time frames is also forming the different harmonic moves. Like this was the move that I shared yesterday at the Patreon, when the price action formed another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and this was a very massive move. Let me play this chart for you. This was the chart, and the price action entered the buying zone on the 4-hourly time frame, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action started very big move from here. And before this I shared another idea at the Patreon. 1st August, the price action of Shiba formed another bullish harmonic reversal move. Let me show you that chart as well. And this was the chart that the price action formed another small bat pattern on the 2-hourly time frame chart at that time. Let me show you this chart as well. This is the link for the chart, and you can see at that time the price action was just entered the buying zone, and from here the price action reversed to the upside. You can see the price action moved up, hit the sell zone, moved sideways, and then it started a massive rally towards the upside. So while the price line is breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge, at the same time it is forming different harmonic moves as well, the bullish reversal harmonic moves. And those harmonic reversal moves are another confirmation that the price action is now going to start a big move from here. Now first we need the confirmation for this breakout, that is a retest and the closing above this level, and then the price action can start a very massive move from here, and I'm expecting that this will happen very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different ideas on the daily basis you will find, then you can find the link in the video description I have shared for you. Take care. Goodbye.